Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change your YouTube channel cover art from PC and laptop. So I'm just going to open youtube.com, and after that go to your profile icon, click here right top corner on your screen, simply click on that. Once you click on that, then you'll see view your channel, simply click on that. And after that, click here customize channel, simply click on that. Once you click customize a channel, then you can see branding. Okay, under channel customization, simply click branding and scroll down a little bit, then you can see the option banner image. So for the best result on all device, use an image that's at least 2048 into 150 100 152 pixels and 6 MB or less. So simply click change, then you have to select the image you already on your PC, and after that open, and once you see here, then click published, then your channel art image will be published. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. So today's no more, and thank you for watching.